Welcome back to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Mr. Austin did not halt production nor notify city health inspections. He is currently awaiting trial. The search continues in Puerto County. The University of Texas to him. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle.
I'm playing as Julie. The flag. What about? Oh my god, the flag. Close the door. Lock the door. Lock it. Better. Much better. Stop lagging. Stop. I want to walk. Stop. Shit. Walk. Ah. Stop. Shit. Stop. Walk. Walk. Enter. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Climb. Climb over this. Much better. Bone scrap. I need a bone. Come on! Faster! Stop lagging! That lag is awful. I need better internet. I'm not even doing anything, it's just glitching back up. That stupid lag. Ah! That takes like 10 years. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, good, better. Ah. The grandpa woke up. Oh. Ah. Ah. I feel like I'm walking against the wall. This will take another 10 years. Come on! Julie, move your ass. Cut it down. Come on. Move. Okay, forget it. Just walk a bit, please. Please walk, Julie. Walk, you chicken. Walk. Ah, where am I? Stop. Uh-oh. I'm gonna hide. He didn't see me, good. Go back. Go back. Move your ass. Move, Julie. I already know the title of the video. Oh, someone got executed. Oh, it's not just Leland, okay? Not a killer. Open the damn door! Why do you have to have it unlocked too? Close the damn door behind you. Okay. I like her sunflower pants. Looks great.
Please. Please, let them be gone.
Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
No, don't lag! Come on.
I gotta stay away.
Okay, good.
Where's this though?
Where's the door to unlock? Please move! Oh. Oops. That's not a bad way to stop moving.
They're gone now. Keep moving.
Move! Keep moving!
This'll help.
And I'm not even the one who disconnected. Move! I'm losing my patience. I'm starting to lose my patience, Julie. Unlock it. Or at least try.
I know they're still around.
I'm going to get killed before I can unlock this, because it will take an eternity. Come on! Oops, not that loud. Come on.
We never should have come here.
Yeah, I think you're going to stay here if you don't start moving a bit faster. Come on. Move. Do it. Okay. Climb up the ladder. Hurry up. Hurry up, climb. What? Uh-oh. Shit. That never happened to me before. Internet ping time is too large to play. Shit. That's the worst thing that ever happened to me. Just kidding.